Save money on electricity with LGAC, best settings. To save electricity on your LGAC, use the Active Energy Control, AEC, feature, 80%, 60%, 40% modes, or diet mode. Set temperatures between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, use the high capacity, HC, mode for initial cooling, and maintain your unit for peak efficiency with its smart inverter technology. Key settings for energy savings, Active Energy Control, AEC. This is a core feature on many LG dual inverter ACs. Press the power saving button to cycle through 80%, 60%, and 40% settings, reducing power consumption significantly, e.g., 40% mode cuts usage by around 60%. It works best after an initial quick cool down. Diet mode, specific models, cools with minimal power, around 19% input, adjusting fan speed for quiet, smooth cooling, consuming as little as 280 W. High capacity, HC, Himalaya cool. Use for about 30 minutes, or until cool, to quickly bring down a very hot room, then switch to an energy-saving mode. General tips for efficiency. Optimal temperature. Set your thermostat between 24 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius, 75 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit, for comfort and savings, as lower temps make the compressor work harder. Fan speed. Use medium fan speed for balanced cooling and energy use. Inverter technology. Your LG dual inverter is already efficient. Using these modes maximizes savings by adjusting the compressor's speed, not just turning it off. LG Think. Use the app to monitor and control energy usage remotely. Before turning it on, seal the room, close doors and windows to prevent cool air from escaping. By combining these smart settings with good habits, you can significantly lower your energy bills while staying cool.